We knew somebody that lived over here, and they hated it.
This is the sports and social at the Fenton.
There's like a ton of bars up there.
Drew's at his reunion.
We're not really though.
You're at your reunion.
I wouldn't make that video. We're not really there.
The reunion's upstairs. Dude, it is so fucking loud in here. We're yelling. There's Anthony and Shelly.
Well, we like relocated to a table over there.
So loud. So this is a new building in the Fenton in Cary, North Carolina. And in this building, this sports and social building, there are several bars. One of which is the PBR Bar, which is a Cowboy Bar. And that's above the sports and social building that we were just in. This type of bar is definitely reminiscent of something you'd see in a big city. So we were really surprised to see it here in the suburbs of Cary. This type of bar is not usually our scene. So had Drew's reunion not been here, we would have never even known about it. Like a lot of bars, if you pay extra or if you order like the most expensive drink on the menu, they do this stupid thing where they all come out and celebrate. So it is a cowboy bar, so there's a lot of line dancing, some cowboy boots and cowboy hats, even some real cowboys. What would a cowboy bar be without a drunk girl on a mechanical bull? Oh, that was a good try. A lot of these people came to dance or to hang out at the bar. They weren't here specifically for the reunion. You can rent out a room in the bar for your special event, but that doesn't close the bar specifically. Here's the room over here that was rented out for the reunion. But the bar was still packed with just regular bar goers on a Saturday night. So this was Drew's 25th high school reunion. It was the Cary High School graduating class of 2000, which made most people in attendance over 40. And we really thought it was kind of a weird choice for a reunion of this age group. But much to our surprise, it worked out really well and it was really fun. Drew and I were kind of hesitant, but Anthony jumped right on in there and started dancing. Much to the dismay of a lot of people. He's surprisingly light on his feet. We had to take out some of the music for copyright purposes. So all you can hear is me and Drew laughing. This bar is actually a lot of fun for all ages. Here's somebody's grandma on a bull. As you can see, there's somebody that actually operates the bull over here in the corner. And he was, being chill with this older lady. He wasn't trying to aggressively toss her off or anything. We didn't want to break a hip. They didn't even toss her off. They let her dismount with her dignity and integrity intact. Then finally, after several drinks, we were able to convince Drew to dance, if that's what you want to call it. Again, the music had to be removed for copyright content, so it's just me cackling.
I'm saying this and that. Good.
We were certainly out of our element, but we were having fun.
You like riches.
This lady over here beside us, though, she was not having any of it. She came to dance, and these boys were getting in her way.
We're in the old lady's way. She's trying to dance. She's trying to dance.
And like I said earlier, this bar is a separate bar from Sports and Socials. This bar is upstairs, and there's several more bars actually in this building, including a wine bar. Normally, there's a cover charge of $5 to $10 depending on the event, but that can be avoided by signing up for their VIP list. And for a reunion, it was quite fun, and we probably will come back. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're local to the Raleigh area. We post a lot of Raleigh content. We really appreciate you guys taking the time to like and subscribe to our videos. It really helps us out.
We knew somebody who lived over here, and they hated it.
This is the Sports and Social at the Fenton.
There's like a ton of bars up here.
This is the Cowboy Bar. Or that's where we just came from, was the Cowboy Bar. But there's like a bunch of bars, not just the Cowboy Bar. The Cowboy Bar is where they're like line dancing and stuff. But then there's the PBR Bar. And then the Rooftop Bar. That's where those people over there are. Yeah. It's like legit for Cary.